Welcome to Gift Place, your personalized gift certificate website. Gift Place offers local merchants like yours an easy way to provide instant, secure online gift certificates to your customers, and it can be up and running on your website in less than a day. Not only do we provide you with your own online gift certificate dashboard where you can control, monitor, and track your gift sales, redemptions, and payments, but we also want to help market your business to new customers. Gift Place is creating a local online gift marketplace where anyone in your city can easily find their favorite merchant and send it to their friends, family, and colleagues. We believe that the absolute best social marketing is your friends, family, and colleagues feel so strongly about a place that they want to buy you a gift from that place. We want to help you increase your social marketing. Our program is completely turnkey and there are no setup fees nor monthly account fees. There is only a small 2% transaction charge only when there is a sale, which is deducted from the gift sale and then deposited directly to your business bank account. In addition, we understand that the world isn't just about commerce growth, it's about making a difference. That's why we have created a merchant and gift buyer sponsored donation option to favorite national charities. A merchant can choose to have any percent of the gift certificate sale go to their favorite charity that will be so indicated on every gift certificate. You can change your mind or the amount at any time. There is no commitment, it's simply a nice option. The same option can be given to your customers. Your gift buyers can indicate how much of the gift certificate they would like to go to their recipient's favorite charity, and it would be noted on the gift. The gift buyer's charitable donation would be noted as an additional cost. There would not be a net cost to the merchant. In fact, we waive any transaction costs with all donations. We look forward to working with you and helping you provide excellent service to your customers, grow your business, and make a difference. To get started, just click on the sign up button now.